Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F150 rear view mirror. First, gather your tools, including a torque screwdriver and a trim removal tool. It's important to know if your mirror uses a wedge mount or a cam lock system. Make sure your windshield is clean and clear. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and frustration. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently disconnect any electrical wires connected to the mirror assembly. If your mirror has a wedge mount, loosen the torque screw at its base. Then, carefully slide the mirror upward, detaching it from the mounting button on your windshield. Take your time to avoid damaging the glass or wiring during this step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: after all that hard work, you'll want an easy meal. Make meal prep simple with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Installing your new mirror is straightforward. First, clean the mounting button on your windshield with rubbing alcohol to ensure a strong bond. Align the new mirror's base with the button and slide it downward until it's firmly seated. Securely tighten the torque screw, if applicable, and reconnect any electrical wires. Test the mirror's stability and adjust its position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.